You guys are disturbing our peace! We're supporting our favorite team!
We're running late, driver, chauffeur us quickly!
If I tell you that behind this massive movement, something invisible is quietly making decisions.
Something that never sleeps, always on the move, learning new techniques. And that something is artificial intelligence. Surprised, aren't you? Every day, billions of people travel. Cars rush through cities, planes cross continents, ships carry goods across oceans. Have you ever noticed something strange? Sometimes traffic lights seem to change exactly when traffic builds up. Almost as if they know. AI-powered traffic systems analyze data from cameras, sensors, and GPS signals from vehicles. In seconds, the system predicts where congestion will happen and adjusts traffic lights automatically. The goal? To reduce traffic jams before they even start. Now think about the last time you used Google Maps or another navigation app. You type your destination and instantly get the fastest route. But how does the app know which road is faster? It's not guessing. AI analyzes millions of real-time signals from drivers' smartphones, traffic cameras, and historical data. It predicts traffic conditions minutes or even hours ahead and alerts you. That's why sometimes your navigation app suddenly says, "Faster route found," and offers you alternative routes. It's not magic. It's AI constantly recalculating the future of traffic. It doesn't just guide drivers. In some cases, it becomes the driver. To know how AI becomes the invisible driver in other modes of transportation, watch out for Part 2. Subscribe now of this interesting episode of how AI secretly controls modern transportation. Be sure to subscribe for more of these.